guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you a simple beauty hack that fights acne instantly and only uses one ingredient, aspirin. You can mix this aspirin face mask with water or aloe vera. Let's begin the first step by crushing 5 aspirins. For this, you can use a spoon, a grinder, or add 3 drops of water to dissolve this. Once you have the aspirin powder, add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel and mix it until it forms a paste like this. Okay guys, it's time for application. First, we need to have our skin completely clean, and with a clean brush, apply this aspirin paste all over your face or direct on the acne spots. Let it sit for a maximum of 10 minutes. Let's talk about benefits. Well, aspirin contains salicylic acid. This component is used on acne products due to its power to reduce redness and pimple inflammation almost overnight. Also prevents acne formation by exfoliating and cleansing skin pores. Time is up. The last step is using this aspirin face mask as an exfoliator. Wet your hands with some water and gently massage in circular motions for 15 seconds to remove dead skin cells, acne scars, and wrinkles. Then wash your face with a mild soap at the end. Here are my results. Skin feels so soft, hydrated thanks to the aloe vera gel, and very clean, and some of the small pimples that I had are almost gone. This aspirin face mask should be used once a week to keep your skin healthy and acne free. Guys, help me grow this channel by sharing and subscribing right here. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Pura vida!